Listed here is everything you will need to make some yummy ice cream. If you'd like, you can pause the video now to write the items down or take a screenshot. For this recipe, you will need a mason jar, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, some measuring spoons, and a measuring cup. Using your measuring cup, measure half a cup of heavy cream and pour it into your mason jar. Now, using your measuring spoons, measure 2 teaspoons of sugar and add them to the mason jar. Using the measuring spoons again, measure a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and add it to the mason jar. Next, add a pinch of salt to the mason jar. Now that all the basic ingredients are in our mason jar, it's time for the fun part. I will be making 2 types of ice cream. One jar will have sprinkles, and the other will have diced strawberries and crushed up graham crackers. What might you add to your ice cream? Make sure the lid's on tight and shake for 3 minutes. In the freezer they go. Keep the jars in the freezer for 3 hours. After 3 hours, your ice cream should look something like this. Now you can grab a buddy and enjoy some homemade ice cream.